It's strange how quickly summer begins to change. The flowers are still blooming, but if you look closely, you can already see the signs that autumn isn't too far away. For me, that also means another thought keeps coming back. Will this be my home when winter arrives? It's now been almost 4 months since I put the house on the market. Long enough to become impatient, but probably not long enough to worry. At least, that's what everyone keeps telling me. I thought it was about time for another house update because quite a few of you have been asking how the sale is going. The short answer, I'm still here. The house hasn't sold yet. It's now been almost four months. I've had at least 10, if not more, showings. Everyone has been incredibly positive. They've all loved the house, just not quite enough to buy it. I've also lowered the asking price recently by 100,000 Danish kroner. Not because I had to, but because I felt it was the right thing to do. And around here, selling a house in 4 months actually isn't unusual. Someone is having the zoomies. Anyway, most people told me to expect somewhere between 4 and 5 months, especially at my asking price. So now it's simply a waiting game. I have also started to collect seeds and make cuttings. Insurance, gardening insurance, and it's free. If it works, then brilliant. If it doesn't, then at least I've tried. Before I head outside again, I'd like to thank today's and this week's sponsor, Factor. After spending most of the day and the morning in the garden, the last thing I usually feel like doing is thinking about dinner. One thing I struggle with, especially living on my own, is that I end up cooking the same meals over and over and over again. And with type 1 diabetes, I also try to keep my meals balanced and varied where I can. So having different meals ready in the fridge makes life a little easier. What I enjoy most isn't just how quick it is. It's that instead of spending time in the kitchen, I get to sit out here and actually enjoy the garden. If you would like to give Factor a try yourself, I've left a link and my discount code in the description below. You'll get 30% off your first box and 20% off your next 4 boxes, which is a pretty nice way to see if it's something that fits your routine. And if you're watching from outside Denmark, don't worry, Factor is available in several countries, so just check the link to see if it's available where you live. Thanks again to Factor for sponsoring today's video.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end inside. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Don't matter where we're going, don't matter what we do, long as we got each other, just me and you. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end inside. Girl, I'm loving the ride.
This has become one of our evening routines. No matter how much there is to do, there's always time for one last walk. And sometimes I wonder whether these fields will still be part of our daily summer routines in a few months, or whether they'll simply become somewhere we used to walk. I don't know. And perhaps that's okay. I suppose that's the strange thing about selling your house, your home. Your life carries on exactly as normal, while quietly waiting for something that could change everything. Until then, I'm going to keep looking after this place. Keep collecting seeds, keep making cuttings, and keep enjoying every season while I'm still lucky enough to call this